To learn programming, please subscribe our channel Learn Coding with Jyoti. Hi friends, in today's video we will see Java syllabus. Before knowing syllabus, we should know types or flavors of Java. The first is core Java. We will also call it as a J2SE. Second is advanced Java. We will also call it as a J2EE. The third is Android Java. We will also call it as a J2ME. In this video, we will see core Java syllabus. Core Java is also divided into different subtopics. So now we will see basic core Java topic. Under basic core Java topics, we have a subtopics. The first is JDK JRE JVM. If you want to learn core Java, you must learn JDK JRE JVM first. The second topic is Java history. The third topic is data types. This is also important topic in Java. The fourth topic is variable. The fifth topic is looping statement. The sixth topic is conditional statement. And the seventh topic is array and string. Now we will see object-oriented programming topics. So first topic is class, the second is object, then constructor, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. There are few more important topics, let's see those as well. Exception handling, file handling, abstract class or abstract method, interface, package, multi-threading, etc. This is a simple core Java syllabus. If you like the video, then please like and share video. And if you new on my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.